Bonjour, welcome to my Speak French in 5 Minutes series. By the end of this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to speak in French in just 5 minutes. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss a conversation in French where two people will discuss with each other their hobbies and likes. Firstly, I will discuss with you all the dialogues required for the conversation with their pronunciation and meaning. For your help, I have written each and every dialogue's pronunciation in red and translation in blue. Then I will have an interactive session with you where you will be speaking in French with me. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Now, starting with the conversation. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. I will speak each and every dialogue in French, and what you have to do, you have to just read the pronunciation of the dialogue given in red and repeat the dialogue after me. So let's start. Here, a girl and a boy is having a conversation. A girl is saying to the boy, "Hi Louis, what do you like to do?" So she will say in French, "Salut Louis, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?" Just read the pronunciation given in red and repeat after me. Salut Louis, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Repeat. Very good. To this, the boy is saying, "Hi Anna, I like to draw and listen to music." So he will say in French, "Salut Anna, j'aime dessiner et écouter de la musique." Read and repeat. Salut Anna, j'aime dessiner et écouter de la musique. Repeat. Very good. To this, the girl is saying, "Me too, I love music." So, she will say in French, "Moi aussi, j'adore la musique." Read and repeat. Moi aussi, j'adore la musique. Very good. To this, the boy is saying, "Do you like watching movies?" So he will say in French, "Tu aimes regarder des films?" Read and repeat. Tu aimes regarder des films? Very good. To this, the girl is saying, "Yes, a lot. I like funny movies." So she will say in French, "Oui, beaucoup. J'aime les films drôles." Repeat. Oui, beaucoup. J'aime les films drôles. Very good. The boy is saying, "Me, I like action movies." So he will say in French, "Moi, j'aime les films d'action." Repeat. Moi, j'aime les films d'action. Very good. Now the girl is saying, "That's great. See you later." So she will say in French, "C'est super. À plus tard." Repeat. "C'est super. À plus tard." Very good. The boy is saying, "See you later. À plus tard." Repeat. À plus tard. Very good. So these were the dialogues. I hope you have understood them, their pronunciation as well as their translation. Now coming to the next session of the video, which is Parle-moi session. Here you will be talking in French to me. I will be the girl and you will be the boy. So let's start. Salut Louis, qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire? Answer me. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Salut Anna, j'aime dessiner et écouter de la musique. Moi aussi, j'adore la musique. Answer. Very good. Tu aimes regarder des films? Oui, beaucoup. J'aime les films drôles. Your turn to answer. Very good. Moi, j'aime les films d'action. C'est super. À plus tard. Answer. Very good. À plus tard. So, this was all in this video. I hope you have learned how to speak French in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. À la prochaine!